Welcome back. So in today's video, we will see how I can create a set data structure in Golang. So in Golang, we don't have set data structure like in other languages. Like if you are coming from a Java background, in Java, set is there in the form of collection. And if you are from C++ background, set is also there in STL library. But in Golang, its philosophy is little different. It says that you don't need set separately if you have map data structure. So we will see how we can create a set data structure in Golang with the help of map in a much efficient manner. So I'll code first and then I'll explain you. Okay, so be with me. So map is basically a key value pair. It have a key and it have a value. The very important thing about map is its keys are unique. Okay, so with that property, we will use that property and create a set, because in set is also, it is a unique, it contains the unique element itself. Okay, so we will see. So I'll create a struct. So void is name here, it's not a keyword. Okay, it's just a name. I name it void, and I'll create a one global variable var, name it nothing void. So nothing is a variable of type void struct. Okay, and since we can see that struct is an empty struct, so it is not taking any memory. Okay, will take 0 KB memory. We'll create a set. Map key will be string and value will be of type void. Void is a struct. Okay, so I'm saying it again and again because actually void is a keyword in other languages. Instead of making it for string specific, I can make it for any. Any means it will work for integer, string, boolean, or any user defined data types as well. It is a generic. To represent generic in the Go, we have a any keyword. So I create a actually map whose key will be any type, value will be void type, and void is a user defined struct. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I'll explain it in comment section as well. So first we will create a set of string data type. Apple. So I provide in a set, I insert apple, mango, and orange. So I have inserted apple 2 times. So it should not take it. It should take only once, because it is a basically map, meaning keys are unique. So it will, let's print it and see. Yeah, you can see that our map contains apple, mango, and orange. So you can see that actually internally it is a map, but since its value is nothing, so we will just focus on its key, because keys are behaving as a set. Okay, we will iterate our set. Similarly, like we iterate over a map. Range on my set, and we will print k. So k represent keys of a map and v represent its value, but we don't need value, we can simply use key only. Now print it. You can see it is printing orange, apple, and mango. And one important things you can notice here is I inserted apple, mango, and orange, but in output it is giving orange, apple, and mango. So order is not fixed because in map it doesn't maintain order. Order is not maintained. Insertion order is not maintained in map. Okay. You may ask, okay, Divyans, how I can delete element from. So simply you can use delete keyword. Now let's say I want to delete mango. So I delete mango from my set. I'll print and check if it's deleted or not. So you can see now in my map mango is deleted. Okay. So actually it is a map, but we are treating it just set. So I can check if element exists in a set. We will do if set it contain and then we will provide the key value of set, and if it is present it will return true. So if our OK is true, we will inside this loop and we will print mango is there in my set. Else mango is not in my set. So here you can see our output is mango is not in my set because in line number 28 we deleted mango from our set. So I hope now you got the point. We are treating our map as a set with a little bit of trick here. I have created a struct which is basically empty and name it void, and then I create a variable, name it nothing, type void, and our map keys are, will provide keys as a, we will create a map keys as a set. Okay, and it is a memory efficient as well because it is just your keys are taking memory, not its values. So let's say one more question which may come in your mind is, let's see if you want your set in a sorted form. So how you can find the map keys in a sorted form? Because in a map, I explain you, its keys are not in a sorted form. It is random. You can't predict. It doesn't maintain even the insertion order, and also it doesn't have a keys in sorted order. So you can actually iterate over the map, set its keys and put in a slice, then sort that slice and get the keys. Got it? So you need to use the extra memory. Okay. I think we have covered everything. Yeah. So one more point I want to point out here is, since we have created our set with the generic type, inside our set we can push another data type as well. Like here at line number 20, I pushed of integer in our set. At line number 21, you can see I pushed boolean. Okay, and line number 22, I want to push some float data type. So it will work because we have created our stack of type generic. But to be frank, in a real world applications in a company, when you will work with, most of the time you will create some real world object. So you will create a, let's say, a struct of student types. So you have to create this set of student. So let's say if type struct is here, so you will create your set of student type. Okay, and then this value will be same. Then you will put inside your set object of student type. And if you will solve problems from competitive coding, you will create a, generally it is given in a problem itself, it is a type of integer, boolean, or a string. You don't need this any. So don't use any unnecessarily. If it is problem, it is very clear that we are going to create a set of type integer. So create it of type only. Don't unnecessarily increase complexity of your code. Okay, I think you got my point. So let's run it and see. Yeah, so you can here see that inside our map, one key is true, one key is 50.4, one key is 10, and then apple, mango, and orange. So here it proves that our generic is working. So thanks for watching, and if you have any question for me, please comment it down. I'll reply. And also make sure to check my repo, because sometimes if I miss something in the video, I update it in my GitHub repo. So thank you. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.